Yo, what's good? Yo, welcome back to another crash video. Today I'll be showing you how to sound like Fakemink. Obviously, I'm not from London, so I'm not gonna have the same accent, but the main focus of this video is for the preset, obviously. So I covered his song Crush Proud Okay. I'm gonna play my cover and then I'm gonna play the actual song so y'all can hear it side by side, and then I'm gonna break down the stems for my preset.
I only fuck with bitches older than me. She a pretty cougar on the pole, yeah she fake. See I got the loo, got to see the paw, then they flee. I'm on barrels, everybody photos of me. Smoke, hit the blunt chop, she ain't used to the weed like this real life, man I know what it feels like. I got a hottie pick up, Medina link up. You know I'm hard so I can't fucking drive pick up. I'm tryna let this fucking blood, you know I need the blick up. She sent me this email, I had to paint the picture. Devil in the details, I see the bigger picture. Me and fuck cold goals, about to fuck this shit up.
Alright, so that's that. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play the now I'm gonna play the actual song.
I only fuck with bitches older than me. She a pretty cougar on the pole, yeah she fake. See I got the Luga, they see the pole, then they flee. I'm on Melrose, everybody photos of me.
Alright, so that's that. You get the idea. Alright, so I'm gonna play the main preset first, and then I'm gonna play the layers, and then the ad-libs.
I only fuck with bitches older than me. She a pretty cougar on the pole, yeah she thick. See I got the Luga, they see the paw, then they flee. I'm on Melrose, everybody photos of me. Smoke, hit the blunt choke, she ain't used to the weed like.
Obviously, I'm not Fakemink, and I'm not from London, so it's not gonna sound identical. But the preset is pretty close. Here, this is the layer preset. I did most of this all in one take, so yeah.
I only fuck with bitches older than me. She a pretty cougar on the paw, yeah she thick. See I got the loo, got to see the paw, then they flee. I'm on Melrose, everybody photos of me. Blunt choke, she ain't used to the weed like.
That's pretty much just copying the same thing. It's just an extra layer of the vocals to add more depth to the whole, the whole vocal track entirely. And then this is just the ad-libs right here.
Older than me. Paw, is she thick? Paw, and they flee. Photos of me. Choke, used to the weed like. But I know what it feels like.
And this is the vocals all together. No beat, vocals only.
I only fuck with bitches older than me. She a pretty cougar on the pole, yeah she thick. See I got the loo, got to see the paw, then they flee. I'm on Melrose, everybody photos of me. Smoke, hit the blunt choke, she ain't used to the weed like. This real life, man I know what it feels like. I got a hottie pink up, Medina link up. You know I'm hard so I can't fucking drive pick up. I'm tryna let this fucking blood, you know I need the blick up. She sent me this email, I had to paint the picture. Devil in the details, I see the bigger picture. Me and fuck cold goals, about to fuck this shit up.
Alright, so yeah, you can hear how each vocal like comes in together. The layer and the main just gives it more, just a better sound overall. And I don't know, probably on this song he probably just did one layer, but I just prefer how it sounds with layers. There's no OTT for the main or the layers. This is the autotune settings right here. Any autotune works, so don't feel like scared if this one doesn't work for you, because you could just always replace it with any other one. Just keep retune speed 0 and then set the key to whatever song you're using, beat. And then the ad-lib, this is right here. The only other plugin you will this is the ad-lib right here. This one does use OTT. This is the settings for that. It's not much, it's just OTT default settings and then lower depth. And then yeah, that's pretty much it for that. This is the auto-tune is the same thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it honestly for this preset. I did do a cover to Easter Pink. It's also using the same presets. It sounds good. So yeah, I tested it with that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Honestly, this is easy, simple presets. Only one OTT used, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to see any how-to videos for any other artists, let me know in the comments, Instagram, or in the Discord, whichever one works. Everything's gonna be in the description, so so make sure you join up and be active in that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a good day, and peace out.